Hello everybody, my name is Luto. I play for Ubuntu Football Academy and I go to Silverman Academy. And I live in Masipumelila, a place where anything can happen. There's lots of gangsterism, drugs, and you can get attempted quickly by doing the wrong things. But I chose a different path than my mates, and I chose to follow my dreams, go to school every day, study, and play what I love playing, which is football. Because, my old friends, my other friends, they have the same ambitions, but they're still struggling from pure pressure from the other mates. They're still discovering who they really are, what can they do, and what are they good at. I think I found my way. In school I'm trying to figure out how to combine fashion design and business, and try to open up my own business that creates their own fashion design. I want to create my own brand so that I can be known out there in the world. There is somebody that can do great things, especially somebody that came from a rough background. He worked his way out there through the help of to obviously with something out of his life. He didn't let his background determine his future. In America, maybe people can accept me for who I am, for what color am I, where do I come from and stuff. If I have money or not, they wouldn't care about that. They would just care about my ability, what great things I can achieve, and that push me to work harder.